that's my secret. Okay, a lot of you have been asking me, how do I name my paintings? And I one day was sitting there watching mindless TV, and all of a sudden this line came up in the movie, and I thought, wow, that'd be kind of a cool name for a painting. So that's my secret. Okay, so I pulled up on the internet just randomly a movie, and I wrote down some of the lines in the movie to kind of give you an idea. Now, some of them I wouldn't use because they're too well known, because you don't want to like plagiarize. Like, don't worry about being the next me. That'd be a cute title for a movie, a painting, but maybe that's kind of trite. Be the first you. Well, that's not too bad. Here's one. Fighting with my family. Okay, that's a cute title. If you really, okay, this is not that great. If you really want to choke her out, interlock the fingers. Okay, that may be for a painting if it's a really gruesome painting. Let's see. Now she's in trouble. Okay, that'd be a cute title for a painting. You don't have to look pretty today, princess. Okay, that's a cute one. She's not just pretty on the inside. Okay, that's cute. Oops, I'm not going to repeat that one. Let's see. I don't want to be a wrestler. Okay, well, you can interchange wrestler to something else. I don't want to be a princess. I don't want to be a hog or whatever. You would love the buzz. Okay, that's cute. It's a Coke. Okay, oops, I don't think they're talking about the drink. I think they're talking about something else. Okay, this was a random movie I picked up online, so I could just kind of give you an idea. So, isn't he in jail? Okay, well, you could kind of change the word jail to something else. Wow, some of these make me laugh, but you can get the idea. You can come up with so many cute titles for your paintings by watching a movie and just, randomly writing down some of what people say. I get the funniest kick out of some of them, and it's actually a great idea to have a book and just write them down. So, when you're not watching a movie and you want to come up with a title, you can just go to your book and find a title that's cute. So I hope that helps, and I hope that you'll get some fun ideas. And I'm sure I'm not the original idea of this, but it just came to me one day when I was watching a movie. Some of the cute sayings that were popping up in there were, just kind of gave me the inspiration. So I hope it